Hey homeowners, spring is here. I've got some tips to make sure your house is ready to go. Come with me. One of the things that I commonly see that's overlooked and very important on your schedule is making sure that those filters throughout your house are maintained, changed, and ready to go. A big thing with Rinaldi homes is their efficiency. The filters in your home are actually a big part of that. Making sure that they're maintained, cleaned, and changed on a regular basis will make sure that everything runs smoothly. There are 3 filters in your home, and you'll find them all in the mechanical room. The first one you want to locate is going to be the ERV. To access the filters in this, undo the latches at the bottom to expose the filters on the inside. Once there, you're going to notice 3 filters, one with green felt at the top, one mesh at the bottom, and the center core system. Each one of them slides out to be easily cleaned with just a quick vacuum. The next one you want to locate is your humidifier, which is located on the side of your furnace. There's a couple steps to get ready for the spring for this. The first one is going to be making sure you switch from winter to summer. The second, making sure your water line is turned off, which is located above the furnace. And the third is removing the cover to change the filter, which you'll find located underneath. Often overlooked, but the most important one is the furnace filter. To locate the furnace filter, you're going to find the front of the furnace. Near the bottom, you'll see 2 tabs where you can remove the cover and access the filter itself. If you want to maintain an efficient and healthy home, maintaining your filters is where you start. Each one of these has a specific function, and when you keep them up to par, you'll make sure that your spring runs smoothly and you can enjoy your home to the fullest.